If you're trying to get a Bali driving license alone, you're risking fines up to 500,000 rupiah, and here's how the Bali lawyer fixes it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. Most foreigners wait 4 to 6 weeks doing it wrong. Book your slot at Samsat Denpasar online 7 days before your appointment to skip the 3-hour walk-in queue. Bring 6 passport photos, your home country license with official translation, and proof of address dated within 30 days. You don't need a lawyer to get a Bali driving license in 2026. The process is straightforward if you know the exact steps. A British expat last month paid an agent 2 million rupiah for something he could have done himself in one morning for 225,000 rupiah total. The stakes are real. Without a valid Indonesian license, you face police stops, 500,000 rupiah fines, and your insurance won't cover accidents. Here's exactly what to do. Most people fail here. They show up at Samsat without an appointment and wait 4 hours only to be told they're missing the KITA's stamp verification from immigration. You need that stamp before Samsat will process anything. Go to immigration first, get the stamp on your KITA's copy, then book Samsat. Skipping this costs you 2 wasted trips and another week of delay. Step 1 is the immigration stamp. Take your original KITA's and 2 photocopies to the Ngurah Rai immigration office in Tuban. The stamp costs 0 rupiah, but you need to arrive before 2 p.m. because they stop processing at 3 p.m. This takes 20 minutes if you go on a weekday. Without this stamp, Samsat rejects your application immediately. The Bali lawyer can handle the immigration run for you if your schedule is tight, no need to burn half a day. Step 2 is the Samsat appointment. Book online at samsat-pkb.com 7 days ahead. Bring your stamped KITA's copy, 6 passport photos with red background, your home country license, an official translation from a sworn translator, and proof of Bali address like a rental contract or utility bill dated within 30 days. The license fee is 225,000 rupiah. This is important. If any document is missing, they send you home and you lose your slot. Here's the problem. If you skip the sworn translator and bring a random Google Translate printout, Samsat flags it as invalid and rejects your file on the spot. A sworn translator in Denpasar charges 150,000 to 250,000 rupiah and gives you the certified stamp Samsat requires. Trying to save 200,000 rupiah here costs you 3 weeks of reapplying and another 500,000 rupiah in police fines if you ride without a license. Here's the exact wording for the online booking. Go to samsat-pkb.com, click Sim Asing, choose Denpasar, pick a weekday slot between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. because afternoon slots fill up fast. Enter your passport number, KITA's number, and phone. You'll get an SMS with your Q code. Screenshot it. On the day, arrive 15 minutes early, show the SMS at the front desk, pay 225,000 rupiah, do the eye test and photo, and collect your license in 90 minutes. Or skip all this and let the Bali lawyer do it for you. They handle the immigration stamp, the sworn translation, the Samsat booking, and pick up your license while you focus on work. Go to samsat-pkb.com, click Sim Asing, choose Denpasar, pick a weekday 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. slot, enter passport and KITA's numbers, screenshot the SMS Q code. Get the KITA's stamp at immigration first. Book Samsat online 7 days ahead with all documents. Stop wasting time, visit the Bali lawyer for full license help. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the TheBaliLawyer website for help getting your Bali driving license done right. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.